Welcome to our home of the day. I am Andrea Crouch with the Crouch Group of eXp Realty. This stunning 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath home in the premier Pebble Creek Golf Course community. Come inside and check it out. Discover the epitome of comfortable and elegant living with a generous 1,829 square feet of living space. 2 bedrooms plus a versatile den that can be customized to suit your needs. 2 well-appointed bathrooms for convenience and style. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring modern appliances, gas stove, and ample granite counter space, making it perfect for culinary creations. The primary suite offers a private retreat, while the den offers flexibility to become your dream home office, guest room, or hobby space. Beyond the interior, the large lot provides space for outdoor living, whether it's relaxing on the covered patio or adding your personal touch to the landscaping.